As I'm reassembling, see, I have not put the next cable in yet, but I think that this is a full round gear here. And I didn't really need to worry too much, I think, about how I reassembled that. Can't mix up which side is which because one side is shorter or longer than the other. But what I did was I put it in and figured I should test it. And I probably really ought to take the cap off here and put some more PB blaster in to make sure that it really works into this gear here. So what I'm going to do is take my PB blaster and squirt it right into the end here. So I'll just do it right on the... You can see it actually popping out. And I wonder if that means that perhaps I don't have the cable perfectly adjusted. But the caps do have an end that can protrude like that. And I don't know if that's a sign of a problem, but you know, put the rubber cap on here. And, you know, is it going to pop out? I don't know. Doesn't look like... Oh, yeah, look at that. Boop. 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 Don't know if that's a problem. I think it's probably fine.